Chapter 2 Utilization of a Computer Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to comprehend how computers are used in all aspects of life. Discover how a computer works. Identify the use of computers to do a task quickly. Warm up. Match the pictures with the names given in the list. Match school with the image of school. Match temple with the image of a temple. Match hospital with the image of a hospital. Match shopping complex with the image of shopping mall. Teacher's note: elucidate the students about what do we do in different places. Hi, you learned about various varieties of machines that make our work easier in the previous chapter. Now, let's look at how computer can help us work more efficiently. Machines assist us in doing a variety of activities. A computer is an electronic equipment which help us to do variety of tasks. Let's have a look how computers assist us in our daily life. Applications of a computer at home. We can perform a variety of tasks with the help of a computer or a laptop. We can get a task done swiftly with the help of a computer. Example: solve sums, play games, type letters, attend online classes, access internet, listen to songs. Let me answer. Is computer an electronic equipment? Applications of a computer in school. Computers are operated commonly in schools. We use computers in school for the following purposes. Example: children in a computer lab, printing report cards. Kids IQ, who will be able to complete the work faster. A teacher who is manually making a report card or a teacher who is typing it. Applications of a computer in office. We use computer in office for the following purposes. Example: sending emails, typing letters, scheduling a meeting, and giving presentations. Do you know the first mail was sent in 1971? Let me answer. For what purposes do we use computer in the banks? Application of a computer in banks. We deposit our money at a bank. The following tasks are handled by a computer at the bank. Example: track of a customer's account information, withdrawing money. Remember it. ATM, an automated teller machine. Other locations: at hospital, keeping track of the patient's name, addresses and phone numbers. At shops, malls, restaurants, making bills and keeping track of things. In a library, reserving information of books and students. At airport and railway stations, make a list of the travelers' name and phone numbers. Let's recall. 1. A computer is a piece of electronic equipment that works faster. 2. We use computer in schools for teaching, printing report cards, and in computer labs. 3. At a bank, we use computers to keep track of customers' account information. 4. Computers are used in libraries for reserving information of books and students. Upskill your intelligence. A. Take the correct answer. 1. Dash assist us in doing a variety of activities. A. Shop. B. Food. C. Machines. D. Library. Answer C. Machine. 2. A computer at home is used for A. Attending online classes. B. Keeping records of patients. C. Tracking travelers' information. D. Reserving records of books and students. Answer A. Attending online classes. 3. Computers are used in many dash. A. Food. B. Locations. C. Roads. D. Tables. Answer B. Locations. 4. A computer is used in dash for scheduling a meeting. A. Library. B. Banks. C. Office. D. Shops. Answer C. Office. 5. A computer is in dash equipment. A. Manual. B. Electronic. C. Handy. D. Light. Answer B. Electronic. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. We can print dash on a computer. Answer letters. 2. Dash can be played on a computer. Answer game. 3. We can listen to dash on a computer. Answer song. 4. Computers assist us in our dash life. Answer daily. 5. At a bank, we use computers to track dash account information. Answer customers. C. From the following tasks, tick the ones which a computer can do. Tick calculate. Tick play songs. Tick type letters. D. Write T for true and F for false statements. 1. You can't listen songs on a computer. Answer false. 2. You can type letters on a computer. Answer true. 3. Computers are used to cook food. Answer false. 4. We can perform multiple tasks with the computer. Answer true. 5. A computer is an electronic equipment. Answer true. Critical thinking. A. Look at the picture and write down the activity being done. 1. Play games. 2. Taking online classes. 3. Making customers' bill. 4. Type letters. B. Give one word answer. Write the answer in the given box. 1. A place where you use computer to watch movies. Answer home. 2. What do we solve with the help of a computer? Answer sum. 3. A place where computers store names and phone numbers of all the patients. Answer hospital. 4. What does a teacher use to take an online class? Answer laptop. 5. A place where a computer is used for making customers' bill. Answer shop. Teamwork. A. In the space provided below, paste photographs of everyday things you can accomplish with the computer. Answer: do it yourself. B. List the location in your school where computers are used. Answer: do it yourself.